Hey there, beautiful.
What?
You guys ready for some lightning hockey? Oh, is there hair on the lens? Yes, there is. You guys are good.
That was there the other day.
What?
Didn't you see me say that the other day when you were editing them?
I don't know.
And I blew on it.
It's good. Hey, right here. Wait, come back. Turn the light on. Okay. No, we gotta play rock, paper, scissors to see who's driving.
No, you're driving.
Ready? Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. That was not very nice of you. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, you're driving!
I'm not driving.
Woo!
You're not. I'm driving. Or you're driving.
Yes, you are. That's exactly what I'm talking about.
Where your passion inspires us. Where you become relentless. We are Tampa Bay.
We are the Lightning.
The Thunder. Ladies and gentlemen, here are your Tampa Bay
almost at his third. It came out the goal line. Is that Marty in the
Don't turn that
like that. That was not Rolly's fault.
Hammer was all in.
That he was. And your phone. Yeah, shit, the Cubs up in front. They're forcing it. They're forcing it. Point. Shot. Oh. Ooh. Nacho Libre. Oh, come on, Rolly. Come on, Rolly.
This is the last minute of play of the period.
Time out, Lightning. No. Come on, guys, get out there. Get him alone. Game over!
They still want a plan or a plot to come up with a knot, but they always in the middle because they always getting caught. They say I'm Hardy Boy or a Nancy Drew. It's just seen in the jail in Yoga City like more yeah, evidence seller. Back to make a ring more. Then I tell them somebody been trouble. Oh, they. What? Oh, they. That's right. Yeah.
Hook up some hair!
What's up, homie? Everybody at the top. Everybody at the bottom. I want y'all to clap your hands. Clap your hands to the beat. What? Clap your hands to the beat. Everybody just clap your hands to the beat. Yeah. Clap your hands to the beat. Everybody just clap your hands to the beat. What? Clap your hands to the beat. Little Jimmy got light. And Jimmy go around the corner and look up first and off the pipe. The other homie shot the other homie and ran off with his money. One other homie heard about it. They thought that it was funny. Well, who's the coming? Cause now you done lost a hustler. A down-ass brother that been replaced by a buster. And though I got love for you, I know I can't trust you. Cause my crew is rolling humble and your crew is rolling bucket. And just because of that shot back, you don't like a brother no more. Well, I guess that's just the way it goes. I ain't trying to preach. I believe I can preach. But your mind ain't prepared. I see you when you get there. If you ever get there. Okay. Stressed by this game of life, I can't lie. Sometimes I sit at home and contemplate suicide. I'll see you when you get there. If you ever get there, I'll see you when you get there. If I was your boyfriend, if I was your boyfriend, I was your boyfriend. If I was your boyfriend, I was your boyfriend. If I was your boyfriend, I'm not your boyfriend. Keep these on the line, gotta stash it again. I'm a rubber band man, got G's by the stack, cause I push a plan. I can spin half, now with H2, and run on the track. Can y'all help him? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into a trance. Yeah. And I'm gonna get in touch with the spirit. If you don't know what a trance is, it's a semi-conscious state of awareness. One, two, three, four, get your woman on the floor. You gotta get up to get down. You gotta get up to get down. 1, 2, 3, 4, get your woman on the floor. You gotta get up to get down. You gotta get up to get down. What up, everybody? So glad you're here. COOLIO with the flow back in your ear. Back like a boy, but I'm still on the mission to see if I can get your attention. Now I want to drop some information. Just a little what it is in your education. I left my life by the code of the phone. Just under my 18's in the trunk. When will the the way of the stick. Yeah. 250. Walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been laughing and laughing no longer. Even my mama thinks that my mind is gone, but I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Be me treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking. Or you and your homies might be lying and talking. I really hate the trip, but I gotta love. As they cook, I see myself in the pistol smoke. I'm the kind of G that little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street line. Yeah, what? I can't hear you. Louder. Louder. Power and the money and the power. Minute after minute, and hour after hour. Everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking at what's going on in the kitchen. I don't know what to say. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. And can they understand it? How can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. Gotta look for more. So what? I can't hear you. Louder. Louder. Oh, Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay Lightning. Oh yeah. Tampa Bay. Say hell yeah. Say hell yeah. Say hell yeah. Tampa Bay is in the building. Make sure you check us out.
The Lightning win it! In regulation, babe.
Yay!
Anyways, I'm going to pull my most sober self together right now and say the Lightning won, and that was a pretty good win considering they gave up a goal before the second period had ended and right when the third period started, so they were down by 2. That was a pretty good win, and our minor league team won their 20th win game in a row. 20 wins in a row.
Armed and ready.
20 wins in a row.
Hashtag
Like,
armed and
do they know how to lose?
Not you said that they're going to.
No, I don't.
Good job.
I mean, that's
Curse them.
absolutely miraculous. 20 wins in a row. I couldn't even imagine watching a team win 20 games in a row. That's pretty unbelievable. Anyway, warning, time delayed save. Manager cannot open. Checkers is amazing, by the way. Just to let you guys know, they have like the most unbelievable burgers in the world. And good
you're
wings
drunk.
for her. And she loves her wings. She's not as drunk as she thinks I am.
I'm not at all.
She's not.
You said she's not as drunk as she thinks I am. So yes, you're drunk.
I'm not as drunk as she thinks I am.
That was take 2 if he edits the first one
anyway,
out.
she will still love me in the morning.
I hate when you say that. It's so stupid. Yes, I still love him. Always. But it's stupid.
And forever. You know what the only bad part about Checkers is? Other than the fact that their food is unbelievably awesome, you have to wait for it. Just a little bit. So, But
Just
I
a little
thought
bit. This place is packed tonight.
I'm pretty sure the person in front of us probably like ordered like every single cow to be slaughtered in there, if they had cows.
Oh, yeah, they don't.
Oh, I'm as hungry as I am tired. You? Musta magasolina, hamada magasolina. Sorry, somebody just pulled up behind us and they're like blasting reggaeton. Just had to burst out into it.
Start, stop, start, stop, start, stop.